We have a fantastic new collection from Penelope Dee, the 100th collection, and it is called Penelope. Well done. We have been around since the first collection. We're hoping to be around when it's the 200th collection, and we have a fantastic offer for you. I'm going to walk you guys through this gorgeous collection. That is a beautiful chipboard element. Some words, just look at that. Gorgeous. I love these laser elements. This one is from Rose Gold. There is a stamp set. If you buy the mega collection pack, you get this fantastic element. You also have a sticker sheet, 2 sticker sheets. Then let's have a look at the papers. There are gorgeous papers in this pack, as you can see. Fantastically beautiful cutouts. Now you guys, who doesn't love a dot? I mean, just look at that. We haven't had dots, well, I haven't seen dots for a while. Look at that beautiful background. Gorgeous wood grain. Love this floral. Love this background. Just look at that. Absolutely amazing. These cutout cards elements are beautiful. Soft background there. Some large florals with the gingham. What a winning combination. And then of course this sheet that goes with that first sheet. So if you would like to make a double page like that, you can see how beautifully that lines up. It's always wonderful when the papers are cut properly by the manufacturers so that they line up precisely. And then of course the last sheet in the collection is the cutout sheet, and I do love this green as well. So make sure that you order yours now. They should arrive by end of next week, and they should start to ship by the 1st of August.